Good afternoon, Cougars and parents, and welcome to week 18 of the Cougar Connection. We had a really great 3 weeks of Christmas break. I hope everyone got to rest, relax, and enjoy their family. And we do have several activities that are upcoming for this week. We do have an admin team meeting at 2 o'clock on Monday. New teacher induction is at Ward Elementary School from 4:15 to 5:15. Basketball is at Lewis, and teachers' grades are due by noon on Monday. Parents' report cards will go home on Tuesday, so be on the lookout for those. And basketball will be at Elliott on Tuesday. Next Gen Academy, for those teachers who participate, is on Wednesday. And on Thursday, we have a home game. The basketball team will take on West Carter. And then Friday is Bring It Friday, and we will be having Kona Ice during Friday break. We do want to take a moment today and talk a little bit about our student spotlight, Miss Katie Newsom. Katie is an 8th grade student and a Blue Barracuda team member here at Simons Middle School. Most recently, she organized a teacher Secret Santa event at our school and she had her classmates pick a teacher, and they brought in little gifts for their teachers. It was a really interesting and a really fun thing for teachers and for students to participate in, and she organized that and came up with the idea all by herself. So we thought that was very considerate and very generous, so thank you, Katie, for that. She is also an exceptional student. She always goes above and beyond, both inside the classroom and outside of the classroom as she plays softball, and she also helps her family on the farm raising corn, soybeans, grain, and cattle. Katie is a standout student. She is always willing to help out with daily chores at school, and teachers say that she is a hard worker in class and she always strives to do her best. So congratulations, Katie. You are an amazing kid, and I can't wait to see all of the things that you do, not only for the rest of your time at Simons Middle School, but also as a Fleming County Panther. So thank you, Katie, for always bringing it. This week, our Achieve 3000 leaderboard, and this is going to be for the week of December 12th through the 19th, the last week before break. We want to congratulate Branson Hawkins, Tynan Richardson, Nisa Sullivan, Cody Stevenson, and Diego Benton for being our weekly leaderboard top scorers. And the weekly top scorer overall was Tynan Richardson. The two students, or the students with the most activities at 75% or above on the first try in grade 7, was Tynan Richardson, Cody Stevenson, and Hanley High with 11 activities, and Samaya Overby with 3 activities. That is all that we have this week for the Cougar Connection. We can't wait to see everyone back. Let's have a great week.